Want to learn more about the Speediance Gym Monster 2? In this video, I'm going to go over everything you need to know. The Speediance Gym Monster 2 is a compact smart home total gym that can replace an entire rack of weights and machines, all in one foldable unit. With all of its capabilities, this is more than just a regular home gym. The Gym Monster 2 uses digital magnetic resistance to deliver full body strength training and even cardio training. The main unit comes fully assembled right out of the box, and it's designed with built-in wheels so you can easily move it and store it away when you're done. It features a large touchscreen display, 4 advanced weight modes, which I'll break down later, a spotter mode for safe solo lifting, a Bluetooth ring controller for quick adjustments, and lifetime access to an exercise library. You also get data tracking, partner mode, and regular software updates so your equipment stays current. Unboxing is straightforward. Speediance sent me the Gym Monster Family Plus package to check out, which includes an adjustable bench, an Aero rowing bench, and everything you'll see in this video is my experience using the machine. With the Gym Monster itself, there are no tools, no complicated assembly, and no wall mounting. You get it out of the box, plug it in, and you're ready to go. Just expect it to weigh around 171 pounds when you're lifting it out of the box. With the adjustable bench too, just get it out of the box, unfasten and fasten a few screws when unfolding the legs, remove the wrapping, and it's good to go. If you do opt for the rowing bench, that's a piece that does need to be assembled together, but all the tools and instructions are provided. There's also a handle it comes with just to use for rowing. With the Gym Monster, the foldable design makes it ideal for small spaces, whether you're in an apartment, garage gym, or home office. The built-in wheels make it easy to move around from one room to another. Just tilt and push to where you want it to go. Once you find a place you want to set it up, just push a button on the side, carefully lower the platform, and secure it in place using these 2 locking mechanisms. Inside the Gym Monster 2 box, you also get a full set of accessories to cover every kind of strength workout. There's a barbell attachment for exercises like bench presses and squats, and it also comes with clips to rack the barbell onto. You also get a barbell pad to use for cushioning for exercises like squats and hip thrusts. There are dual handles for cable and dumbbell-based exercises like curls, and there are also extender straps that help make the cable feel smoother on the arms. There's a tricep rope for push-downs and more, ankle straps for lower body isolation work, a Bluetooth ring for hands-free resistance changes mid-set, as well as turning on and off the weight, and it also comes with a cable to charge it, as well as a clip for it to secure onto. If you have your own cable machine attachments, you can use the connection kit to make them compatible with the Gym Monster 2, and there are replacement cables if you need them. The Gym Monster 2 has a foam pad on the bottom platform that's removable if you want a flat surface. Everything feels high quality and is designed to integrate seamlessly with the machine. To connect your attachments to the Gym Monster 2, simply clip them onto the spherical carabiners at the end of each cable, whether it's the handles, a bar, or another attachment. Just press on the spherical carabiner and clip your attachment in. The system is designed with multiple height levels, so you can adjust the cable position depending on the exercise you're performing by pulling the pin and sliding the pulley up or down. To use the bottom platform's position, you can remove the pulley from the top track and reattach it to the bottom platform. Just press the release button on the pulley, slide it off the upper rail, and then guide it down to the base. From there, lock it into the slots on the foot platform. Do this for both sides. When you first turn on the system, you'll be prompted to create a profile. It'll ask you for basic information, like your name, age, weight, and height. The touchscreen is the command center for the Gym Monster 2. It tilts and articulates so you can position it perfectly whether you're standing up or lying down. The screen can also be flipped upside down, so it's viewable when you're reclined on the bench. From here, you can select exercises from the built-in library, adjust weight in 1-pound increments up to a max of 220 pounds, track your reps, sets, power, and range of motion, and start or stop workouts with just a tap. You also have these nice sound effects coming from the screen for every rep you complete. And if your hands are occupied with the weights, the Bluetooth ring allows you to turn off or on the weight by just pressing the button, and if you want to increase or decrease resistance, just turn the dial. Swiping down on the screen gives you more menu options, like adjusting sound levels and changing music. Background music will play and make your workouts more fun, and even choose your own music from Apple Music. Instead of traditional weight stacks or plates, the Gym Monster 2 uses dual direct drive magnetic resistance engines. That means smooth, consistent tension, no jerky movements, and less noise compared to mechanical systems. The digital resistance has the ability to give you advanced modes that traditional weights can't match. There are 4 smart weight modes. Those modes include standard mode, which has resistance that feels like lifting free weights, chain mode, which simulates lifting heavy chains, so the resistance gradually increases as you reach the top of the lift and decreases as you lower it. Eccentric mode, which adds more resistance during the lowering phase of a rep, which helps you build more strength and control. And finally, there's fixed speed mode, which keeps a balance of tension and contraction. It's ideal for rehabilitation or when you want consistent tension in both directions. The Gym Monster 2 isn't just for lifting. With attachments like the Aero Bench, you can turn the Gym Monster into a cardio station for rowing, and you also have the option to perform circuit-style HIIT workouts. There's also an accessory you can buy to turn the Gym Monster into a ski machine. If you've ever had a workout partner to help you squeeze out those last reps, Assist Mode does the same thing digitally. When it senses you're slowing down, it reduces resistance so you can finish the set. Essentially, the Gym Monster 2 gives you a built-in spotter. And if you do have someone you want to work out with, Partner Mode makes it easy for two people to share the machine in one session. After you finish a workout, you'll get a breakdown analysis of your performance and see all the muscles you worked. Every rep, set, and pound you lift is logged into your profile. You get detailed stats on total volume, PRs, and progress over time, which is perfect for staying accountable and seeing your gains. This data is also visible on the app, so you can study your progress anywhere. It also shows you how fatigued your muscles are, so you know which ones are fresh and which ones need a rest. If you want more structure, you can follow along with trainer-led programs right on the screen. You can also build your own workouts from scratch, adding your own exercises, reps, sets, and weight. And that's also something you can do on the app as well. The app's home screen gives you a weekly overview, quick access to sign up for Wellness Plus, goal-setting tools, and recommended workouts. When you select a workout, you'll see all the details, including required equipment, exercises, and volume, and you'll have the option to add it to your schedule. In the Workouts tab, you can explore Speediance's full library of courses, programs, and exercises. You can browse by category or filter by equipment to find exactly what you need. Under Movements, you can find all the exercises you can perform on the Gym Monster 2. You can bookmark your favorites and add them to a custom workout. In Health Center, you have a record of your progress with detailed information, including workout duration, total volume, output, and calories burned each week. Your body overview helps you monitor your muscle activity, as well as recovery, to better understand your body's performance and overall wellness. The Speediance Gym Monster 2 feels like having an entire gym's worth of equipment, all in one foldable portable unit. The magnetic resistance is smooth, the smart modes add variety and challenge, and the accessories give you everything you need to work your entire body. Even with the full family package, however, you will still need to buy additional accessories for the full experience, such as ski handles, a dock to hold all the accessories, and more advanced handles. If you're short on space, but want a premium home gym setup, without the clutter of multiple machines, this could be a game changer. Now I'm going to play around with this gym for a few weeks, then let you know what I think about it all. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you already like what you see and want to purchase one, use promo code KEVOFF for $90 off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.